Hi everyone, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today we're talking about cryptocurrency. Basically, how exactly can you explain cryptocurrency to your granny? For the past 10 years now, the word cryptocurrency has actually been very popular. I remembered hearing it from a friend the very first time about 5 years ago, and he seemed like one brilliant financial expert as at then. Anyways, the Bitcoin was the first established cryptocurrency. Although there had been previous attempts at creating online currencies with ledgers secured by encryption, two examples of these were B-Money and BitGold, which were formulated but never fully developed. Now, let's come back to the purpose of this video. What exactly is crypto? Better still, how can you explain it to your grandparents? Welcome back to another episode of Expressionately. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and do hit the subscribe button. And if you're an old subscriber, well, I guess I'd say welcome as well. And do hit the like button. Now, imagine your grandma asks you, "Hey Ruth, what is cryptocurrency? It sounds something spent in Atlantis?" No, Grandma. It is spent on Earth here. Well, I'm not sure what Aquaman spent in Atlantis, but you're actually right, and wrong in a way. Right, because it is indeed a currency that can be spent. However, wrong, because it is not your typical physical cash. It is basically money that exists in an electronic format, meaning there are simply digital currencies around. Each individual cryptocurrency is fundamentally just a collection of numbers and letters. Interesting. So, where are they stored? They are stored in a digital wallet. To illustrate, it's just how your electronic email is stored in your mailbox. Although a cryptocurrency wallet address is like a bank account, except there is no card to go with it. One more thing I will like to add is that you don't need to provide any personal information to create a cryptocurrency wallet. So, your identity is not attached to your cryptocurrency wallet like your bank account is. Wow! Sounds like fun! So that means there is no bank to decline my transactions or monitor me. I remember wanting to send money to your aunt Cynthia. I got a decline message that I had exceeded sending limit for that day. Any cryptocurrency held in your personal wallet is held directly by you, not custody in a bank like regular money. This means that nobody can shut down your cryptocurrency wallet or block your transaction because you have total control over it. However, the downside here is that if you lose access to your cryptocurrency wallet or forget to write down the recovery phrase when you make one, you will lose your cryptocurrency forever. Now I'm a bit scared and worried. Since they're all digital, aren't you afraid of hackers? Now, that's a good question, Granny. Cryptocurrency digital files are created using the same method as cryptography. The cryptocurrency uses a digital ledger called a blockchain to protect itself. A number of computers must validate a transaction before it can be approved and updated. A hacker cannot have every computer in this network. This makes cryptocurrency networks secure because there is no single point of failure. This is called decentralization, and it's almost the opposite of centralized setup by governments in bank. Okay, then, give me examples of a cryptocurrency. Well, you have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and a thousand others, just like we have the pounds, euros, dollars, and a lot more. Well, I think I'll stop there before I get mentally saturated. Thank you for breaking it down in the most simplest way. I hope you all enjoyed that bit, and this would be a wrap for today on explaining cryptocurrency to your granny. Do stay locked into this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.